In this video, you will learn about organs with yours truly, me. Your main organs consist of your trachea, arteries, veins, heart, lungs, esophagus, diaphragm, stomach, liver, spleen, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys, small intestines, appendix, large intestines, and bladder. Here we're going to talk about all of these organs individually. The trachea, also called the windpipe, is a tube that carries air to and from the lungs, as this picture illustrates what it looks like. Your arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to the tissues, except for the pulmonary arteries, which carry blood to the lungs for oxygenation.
And to those people who think it's a vein, it's actually not.
Veins are blood vessels that carry blood towards the heart. This picture here shows the veins in a hand. The heart is arguably the most important organ paired up with the brain because it pumps blood through the veins of the circulatory system. It is also a very muscular organ too. Humans have 2 lungs. Their function is to extract oxygen from the atmosphere and transfer it into the bloodstream and release carbon dioxide from the bloodstream into the atmosphere in a process of the gas exchange. Basically, they let you breathe. Your esophagus is the long tube that the food travels through to get to your stomach when you swallow your food. It passes behind your trachea and your heart also. The diaphragm is a sheet of internal skeletal muscle that extends across the bottom of the thoracic cavity. It contracts to let air into the lungs and out while breathing. Fun fact, hiccups are from little spasms in the diaphragm. The stomach secretes digestive enzymes and gastric acid to aid in the food's digestion, but to simplify it down, all it means is it breaks down the food. The liver, which is the largest internal organ in the body, detoxifies various metabolites, synthesizes proteins, and produces biochemicals necessary for digestion and growth. The spleen acts primarily as a blood filter and plays an important role in regard to red blood cells in the immune system. It removes old red blood cells and holds a reserve of blood which is valuable during a hemorrhagic shock. It also recycles iron.
The gallbladder is a small hollow organ where bile is stored and concentrated before it's released into the small intestines. Fun fact, it is located under the liver. The pancreas is an organ of the digestive system and endocrine system of vertebrates. In humans, it's located in the abdomen behind the stomach. It functions as a gland, mostly to regulate blood sugar levels. Kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs found on the left and on the right sides of the body. They filter blood, remove waste, and controls the body's fluid balance. The small intestine, part of the gastronomical tract between the stomach and the large intestine, is where most of the absorption of food takes place. It has 3 distinct regions: the duodenum, duodenum, and the ileum. We do not know very much about the appendix. Water is absorbed here, and the waste material is stored as poo before the trip to the toilet. What is this script? Oh my. Your bladder is where your urine is stored for most of your organs that excrete waste. It's also where your urine leaves the body.